Alright, we're going to move on to the graphing portion of our assignment. We have two inequalities we need to graph. We got our top one, and I'm going to do this one in red. It has a y-intercept of 3. That's the number not with the x. Remember, the number not with the x is your y-intercept. And the number with the x is your slope. It has a slope of negative 3 over 2. So go down 3, right 2. And you can put another point. That's right there. I can do it a few more times if I want to. Down 3, right 2. Once you know where your graph's going to go, you can start drawing your line after you've looked at your inequality symbol. This is less than or equal to. The or equal to makes it so I have a solid line. So I'm going to do a solid line that goes through my points here. And that's just going to have to deal for now. And now that I have my line drawn, I can do the shading part. Once again, look at your inequality symbol. This is less than or equal to. Less than is that direction. So we're going to shade this side of the line. The first line is done. Let's move on to the second one, which I'm going to do in blue. It is y is greater than 5x minus 6. The minus 6 part is the y-intercept. It has a slope of 5, so you go up 5, right 1. So up 5, right 1, and you can put another point. You can do that a few more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, right 1. Okay, we got our points now. You can draw your line. Make sure you look at your inequality symbol. It's just y greater than, so it's going to be a dashed line. So I'm going to do a dashed line that goes through these points. And there's my very lovely dashed line. And I need to also graph it. So if you go to your y-intercept and you look at greater than, because that's my inequality, it's up that way. So I need to shade this direction of the line. This side. And remember, the solution is the part that got double shaded. And that's the part that is right here. Let me do some shading. Right over here. This is the part that got double shaded, so that's the part that's the solution to the system. Let's move on to the second system. I'm going to do the top one right again. We got y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 4. The minus 4 is the y-intercept, so put a point there, and it has a slope of 3. That's up 3, right 1, because it's 3 over 1. So go up 3, right 1. You can put a point there. Up 3, right 1, put a point there. And you can do that a few times. And now we know which direction our line is going to go. Look at your inequality symbol again. It's greater than or equal to, so it's going to be a solid line. And now that we got our line drawn, we can shade. It is greater than or equal to, so if you go to your y-intercept, greater than is on this side. So we need to shade this side of our line. Alright, now that we got our line shaded, let's jump over to the other one, which I'll draw in blue. It is y is less than negative 4 over 2x plus 1. The plus 1 is the y-intercept, so put a nice point there. It has a slope of negative 4 over 2. That's the same thing as just negative 2. So if you go down to right 1, you can get more points down to your right 1. If you really did down 4, right 2, you just go straight from your y-intercept to this point here. And that's fine. The points are still going to line up. You'll get your line. Anyway, so now that you got your points done, you can use your inequality symbol to draw a dashed line, because it's just less than. So get your dashed line going. Dash, dash, dash. I wish I could draw straight. Okay, I got my dashed line. And now I need a shade. It is less than. So we go to our y-intercept. Less than is on the lower side here. So we're going to shade left and downward to get the shading done. And remember, the solution is the part that got double shaded. That's the section right here. A lot like the previous problem in the lower left region. And we're done.